The ability for organizations to set standard completeness criteria for patient assessments is an essential tool incorporated into the measure system, designed to revolutionize and enhance the standardization of protocols and procedures. When it comes to client assessments, accuracy, consistency, and attention to detail are paramount. Completeness criteria helps to guide providers through a comprehensive set of mandatory steps that must be followed during the assessment process. By adhering to these predefined steps, the risk of oversight, errors, or omissions is significantly reduced, resulting in more reliable and trustworthy assessments. One of the most significant advantages of the completeness criteria is its ability to nudge service providers to fulfill all mandatory steps. In situations where a provider inadvertently overlooks or omits a crucial aspect of the assessment, the system proactively reminds and prompts them to revisit and complete those steps. For example, in regard to pure tone audiometry, you're able to set a minimum number of repetitions of stimuli required before storing a threshold. If a threshold is stored before this number is reached, the corresponding symbol will be lighter in color and testing will not automatically advance to the next frequency. Once the appropriate number of stimulations is reached and the threshold is stored, the next frequency can be tested. Mandatory test frequencies can also be set. If a mandatory frequency is skipped, measure will alert the provider with a symbol on the audiogram itself, as well as a completeness warning in the assistant panel on the right-hand side of the screen.